So, welcome to my CV1. This is our beautiful building, starting from that corner to there. So please, come with me. Here is the camera system. Camera system there, security. Here is the output and input of material from the factory. Parking. Plenty of parking space. Here. Tring. Hello, thank you. Thank you very much. She can go to it. Come with it. Here. The class. Hello. Here is the reception. You see, kitchen. Nice painting. Come. Here we go. Here is the other office. Come inside, please. Now it's a bit of it's not in order because we just have a meeting here. Here is the projector where you can see presentation, discuss with the team.
Here we are in the floor that connects the offices with the production area. We have 2 restrooms. And the second one. Here we have a small room for cleaning material. And now we are going to the production area. In this room, we receive the raw material and all visual controls of the package and of the order take place. After this room is divided in different areas too, but just general checks of the package will be checked. Okay. So after this, the goods are going to the quarantine. We have different quarantine storage. One of them is this one here. This is for all other materials, excluding the raw material cannabis flowers. And now we will go to the vault. Here is the packaging area. And we will go to the vault. The vault is divided in different areas too. We have quarantine for the raw material as we receive it. After testing it, the material will go in the released area. And after production, the bulk or extract quarantine will go in this area. And after releasing and is ready for selling, will go in the green area. This room is temperature controlled, movement controlled, and camera controlled. Now we will show you the clean room. The clean room has 3 different airlocks for personal and for material. I will show you from the inside how it looks like. So, has 2 different areas. This part is the not clean part, and over the bank is the clean part. same is here, and the second one is the material transport room. We transport from this part until the red line materials, and someone from the clean room is picking up until this area. Here is the back part of the vault, and we have there a freezer for our ethanol. Here is the production area with all equipments. Inside, the production area has 2 airlocks, 1 and 2. These are dedicated to end material and to trash. The room inside has a small clean room for a smaller room or divided area for the rotavap and for the oven that is in another part. Now I can show you better the other part. So here is there is the oven. And clean room communicates with analytical lab through another airlock. They are changing samples through this airlock. And here is our analytical lab with our 2 employees of the laboratory. We have an HPLC here. And other equipments. The last one is a washing room that communicates with the clean room through another small room for changing materials. Okay, here is our quality management system. Everything is on paper for the moment, but we have a backup system in our data room, but the official one is in paper. So we have all chapters of our quality system here. We have supplier qualification. We have contracts with different suppliers. We have our certification. Here are all other folders for training, for validation, verification, and for the control of the coming goods. We have all the folders for our equipment machines that are certified and qualified yearly. And for sure we have the informations of every batch that is produced.